Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. At the moment I'm down at Sawley Marina and we are looking at the boat sales. This is the Aquavista boat sales, and the one I'm going to look at now, this Widebeam, is 70 feet long. It's part of the Hampton range and it's 12.6 wide. I'm going to go on board now and have a look. Just been chatting to one of the marketing ladies. Lovely looking boat, and this one, the new owner, this will come with 1 year's free mooring at any of 6 of the Aquavista marinas. Now this, when I first looked at this boat, it looked a lot wider because I think because this rounded stern here, whereas normally the stern would just come out and it would be like a squared end. So there's one outside. Plenty of room here, plenty of room here. You can have your own gin party. So you've got storage here. This is going to be your gas locker there. Fit a couple of bottles in there. And obviously here is going to be your engine bay, and there is storage beneath these cushions here. You can see the storage there, plenty of storage there. Yeah, the storage all over the place, look. So we'll go on board now and wipe your feet because there's a lovely looking carpet here. Right, so from the inside looking out, there's your seating area there. Storage under the seats. And lots here, look. Plenty of sockets. A lot of room here. Our television there, inbuilt, look. There's a log burner. Into this side, more sockets here, lots of shelving. And there's your panel. Nice finish as well, all this. And there we go, look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Big larder unit here. Again, lots of storage here. Your freezer, inbuilt freezer. And the Belfast sink, I love these. The Belfast sink, very hard wearing. Loads of room, look at this, loads and loads of room. Look at these drawers, big deep drawers. Easy slide. More storage than you probably ever even need. There's your waste bin here, look, all built in on your centre console. I think, no, I'm not sure, I'm going to have to check if that's a grill or a microwave. I think it's a grill. So you're not going to fall short on storage anyway. Nice big fridge. Then we'll leave the galley now. Little wardrobe there for coats. And then your first bedroom, double bed, overbed storage, bed lights each side. And a big double wardrobe here. It smells so new and so nice as well. Radiator in the bedroom and drawers down each side. Down here. And we'll look over at this one now. A very spacious here. Radiators, plugs, sockets, all sorts, lovely. We'll go into the bathroom. Again, not short of storage. Another little similar type Belfast sink. And plenty of room under here, look, for all your bits and bobs. Nice full length bath. And your shower. Sliding doors. And again, I like the way they do these doors with the vision panel there, but it isn't vision, is it? It's frosted glass. I'm walking down to the main bedroom. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at this. You've got your portholes here. Radiator. Lovely carpet. There's a big double bed there. There's your TV, that's all you need, look. And going around this side. Plenty of room, full length mirror. And built-in chest of drawers, 3 drawers here, look. You're not lacking on space at all. An under top pull-out drawer there. Like this little platform here, look. That's lovely. So we'll find out what the cost of this is in a mo. And there we go. Don't forget your towpath.
Yeah.
Binge just in there, right?
Oh no, we were looking for the freezer. It's in that one.
Oh yeah, freezer's in there.
In there.
I'm sure your potential buyers don't mind being on film. So what range is this?
This is the Hampton.
Hampton range.
Yes.
Oh, 2.
Oh, my favourite wine as well, look. Love that. See? That's it's just got his name, it's got my name written on it. So.
If you buy that, you can hit the bottom.
Oh, I forgot to mention this skylight, look. So plenty of natural light coming in. And as I say, you're not short on storage at all. So if you're interested in this boat, give them a call. It's Aquavista. This one based at Sawley Marina at the moment, and the price, that's the one you've all been waiting for, £249,950. £249,950. This will be perfect down in London. It will be perfect anywhere really. So just to recap then, 249,950. You get a year's free mooring at one of their marinas, one of 6 marinas. They've actually got 27, 29 marinas in all. 70 feet by 12.5. And as I say, that stern end looks a lot wider, and I think it's obviously because it's all rounded. So if you're interested, give me a quick call, come down and have a look at it. This is not a promotional video on my part at all. I just thought I'd put it out to you and let you see what's available. Well, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye bye.